Ayan o, nakaganto tayo lahat, di ba? So yan nun guys. DeAndre Fox. Lord.
Hi guys.
Okay dyan. And guys, bukas na guys. Yes po, yung aming Viva Beauty na live na bukas na yan guys. Hi guys, hello po. Good luck sa mga may exam dyan. Exam season na pala ngayon, no?
Washington, no?
Oo. The young, days. Si Alexar. Wait lang. Ba't all-star na to? Wait lang.
Yan, no?
Cooper Flag.
Meron ko bang ano dyan, Clay Thompson?
Oo nga, yung ano no, sub siya, no? Ito nga, try nga natin ito.
Okay.
Si Austin Reeves. The game. Okay lang ba ka dyan? Kuya Miko, hello po guys. Ayan.
Lalaro lang kami guys, one game.
One game. Number 2K tayo guys. Good luck sa mga may exam dyan guys. And if you wanna buy the caps, ayan guys, sa pin comment, message nyo lang R&M Supply.
Nakakasilaw, no?
Oo. Propaganda. Solid.
Ay, sayang. Ganda naman.
Nice. Marcus Smart. Ay, huli niya ako guys.
Bang.
Grabe. Atrasan tayo guys. Uy! Huli ulit.
Boom.
Nice D. Hoy! Jaden McDaniels, oh.
Wala, tol. Ibulit ko pa man din yan, di ba?
Kuya Miko, hello po guys. Shoutout. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Laro lang kami dito guys, ha? Laro lang kami 2K.
Check out na kayo habang nalalaro ka.
Uy! Foul.
Check out.
Check out.
Mangas.
Ay, shit! Namindot ko.
Laro lang kami saglit.
Hi guys, DP na mamaya. Oo nga eh.
Oo nga.
No, up. Dep.
Bang. Ay!
Takbo, Lebron. Ang bilis ng comments, guys. Ay, huli.
Solid overall yan ni Luka dyan eh.
Oo.
Wow!
Grabe.
Hi guys!
Hello guys, kumusta kayo dyan? Bang! Okay lang ba kayo dyan guys? Ang bilis ng comments guys, hindi ko mababasa. Nice.
Ito lang ang Lebron.
Ayun doon siya, oh, sa corner.
Ay, hindi mo lang ginagamit.
Yan siya. Bang! Huli. Kailan po episode 2? Tagal lang episode 2 guys ah. Tagal naman na na-release yung episode 2. Episode 12 na ata guys eh. Mamaya episode 12. Bang! Ah! Nice one. Tara. Luka. Bang! Lebron! Hello guys, shoutout sa inyo. Kamusta kayo dyan lahat guys? And if you wanna buy our caps, guys, ayan, message R&M Supply. Permahan namin yan pag pumunta ka sa mga mall show, guys. Permahan namin yan. Jay, thanks sa Corgi, Jay.
Doncic with it. Defended by DiVincenzo. On the wing, Reed.
Boom. Shoutout guys. Sorry guys, hindi namin mababasa lahat guys ha, kasi ang dami niyong comments guys eh. Libre. Libre guys. Hello po guys. Pia, thank you sa caps. Ayan guys. Wait lang, saan bang mga dito?
Chimura, oh.
Simura.
Ronnie James, nandiyan na sa tuloy.
Si Bronny James. Pag na. Si Bronny James. Okay lang ba kayo dyan guys? Ayan, saktong 2K lang kami ni Rob guys. Wait lang guys. Ay!
Huli. Whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Uy!
Nice one. Nice D.
Doncic hits to LeBron. Pass to Ayton.
Bang! Bang! Good luck sa mga may exam dyan guys. Dami nyo lagi nagko-comment may exam ha. And guys, if you wanna buy, message R&M Supply. Andyan nakasaka pin comment guys.
Wow!
Bang! Bang! Grabe.
From beyond the arc. Edwards got 12 in the game. We've seen the league change
Ay!
quite a bit with it.
Guys, I think each team knows they can win this
Ayan si Hans guys oh. Hans Paronda in the house.
There.
really well.
Hi guys!
Confident they compose, never in a hurry.
Bang bang!
Grabe naman yun.
It's his second bucket in 5 tonight.
Timo ka.
Good job of stepping up to the plate there, seizing back the momentum
Huli!
for his team.
Ganda.
Bang! Ganda ng pasa. Muntik pa ako dun guys ha. And guys, gusto niyo ba yung cup namin guys? Maganda ba? Solid yung quality no? Ayun lang! Sumira na pala. Sorry.
Points in the game.
Tara, game.
Got a one-man air raid coming at them time and time again.
Well, what I
Wow!
Bang bang! Ay Miko, hello po.
And so Thailand with it. He brings it up for the Minnesota Timberwolves. They trail by one. It's 9 seconds separate the shot blocking game.
Bang
Bang bang!
bang!
Grabe! Anong lakas!
Don't
That's
something.
a good sign for Daniel. They need him to shoot with confidence. Doncic passes to Reeves. From outside the arc.
Bang! So, hindi pa pumasok yan.
Rebound. McDaniels kicks to Randall.
Ah!
Ay!
Sayang!
Sayang, tol.
Ay! Official review. Basket no good.
He's certainly beat the basket.
And guys, message nyo lang yan guys. Message nyo lang yung nasa pin comment. Kuya Mike, thank you Kuya Mike.
Anthony Edwards has been leading the charge for the Timberwolves. And with his work in that quarter, he has 5 three-pointers in the game now. Quite a showing from long range.
Ano po nilalaro nyo? Naglalaro kami 2K guys. NBA 2K.
And if you're just tuning in, it's been a pretty even game through the first quarter.
Libre!
Now let's take a moment to get
Ah,
your guys'
okay, dos lang.
for Minnesota.
2K guys.
Well, the thing about hitting early threes,
Yung ones, ang ganda ng graphics.
it makes the
Nakaulit ng TV ko.
Miko, kumain ka na ba? Yes po. I ate kanina guys. Kumain ako dati.
Great precision so far and creating great
Eh kasi, klaro.
Grabe. Spot up.
LeBron James is out there with DeAndre Ayton, and it's Smart into the three, the small forward. That's the group for the Lakers to start the second quarter. Smart passes to Doncic. That's it.
Wala,
Huli.
tol.
Pretty good there with the rebound.
doesn't register as a block, but he did everything he wanted defending that shot.
Well, you know, sometimes the most pivotal plays don't always go
Bang
Grabe.
bang!
Nice one.
No good. Lakers trail by 5.
Lebron! Bang! Isang good luck. Good luck po sa mga exam. Asan na yung hoodie? Dadating na guys, malapit na. Malapit na guys. Mga 2 to 3 days dadating na. Magka-quality check lang kami ni Rob guys, tas release. Oy, nice pass.
Banks in the layup. Edwards got the lead up to 5 now for the
4 hours na lang, no? Oh, guys, episode 12 na mamaya guys. Sabay-sabay tayo manood mamaya.
Oras na lang?
Ha?
Anong oras?
Ay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 hours pa guys, 5 hours pa. Yung D80. Episode Friday na pala, no?
Just about a minute and a half has gone by here in the second. Well, Coach, we know there's a lot of expectations tied to a number 1 pick. Sometimes they fall.
Boom!
Sulit yun ah. Hi guys. Laro lang
Oo.
kami ah.
ML ko yung Miko.
2 points and time on some.
Bukas guys, ML tayo ulit bukas.
Ah.
Get there.
Grabe!
Nice shot.
Parang Curry yun ah. Ang bilis ng release.
Put your guys in a position to succeed. McDaniels is more
Wala, yan go.
Sayang.
attached than he is initially. Timberwolves lead by 6. Gives Edwards.
Ah! Grabe guys. Dinudurog ako ni Rob sa 2K guys.
He does it time and time again.
Ay!
Nakabawi. Nakabawi, naka-tres. Yun na lang.
Stream natin to gusto mo.
Pwede ba yan?
Bang!
Grabe naman yun! Umiinit si McDaniels.
Completely warped the shape of this game with this option. Judge passes to Reeves. Nice passing here by Los Angeles. Ayton looks to Smart.
Ay!
Boom! How much hot? Ayun guys, message nyo yung R&M Supply. Yung naka-pin comment dyan guys. Message nyo sa IG. Or kaya sa TikTok guys, pwede din kung gusto nyo. Ayan. You can message either. Pero mas maganda pag Instagram guys para diretso na.
Bang, bang. Ay,
Nice.
yun ah.
Boom.
Ayton's got 6 rebounds in the game. And
So, ayun, di po pumasok.
his second miss, now 2 of 4 on the game.
Message nyo lang yung R&M Supply guys if you wanna buy the cap. And sasend ko yung prices dun guys. Replyin ko kayo.
Bang!
Grabe naman yun. Sampu na.
Well, when Edwards gets this hot, all an opponent can hope to do is limit the game.
Huli.
Smart misses. Timberwolves leading by 10. Now we'll hear from Alan LaFleur.
Bang!
Fall. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po sa'yo. Hello guys. Shoutout po sa inyo guys.
Ay, na-steal ako, tol.
Hop, mali yung pasa. Oh, nice pass. Boom. Anong linalaro nyo? NBA 2K. Nabubulol ako guys. Uy! Blocking foul. Ay, Aknil. And yung pupunta sa Rob Antipolo guys, ayan, peperma namin ni Rob guys pag
Saka
bumili kayo
magdadala
ng
po
Rob.
kami ng stocks ng cup doon.
Ah, sige. Pwede kami magdala ng stocks guys. Gusto nyo bumili dun guys. Grabe. Durog na durog ako guys.
Hi guys! Ito yung cup namin, di ba, Angas?
Yeah, solid days oh. Message nyo lang guys. Message nyo lang yung page namin guys sa TikTok or sa IG. Pero mas maganda pag IG guys. Para diretso na no.
Island against Ayton. Doncic dishes to Ayton.
Uy, ganda!
Isulogi ako sa tres.
To elevate, he is capable of throwing it down.
Edwards
Grabe.
good on the assist
Woo!
to Edwards. 22 points for him.
Yet another three. Once we hit the second quarter, it just seems that those threes just started to fall like raindrops.
Here's
Boom! Shoutout mo guys. Kala ko ba mas... Wala lang guys. Nagano lang.
spotted the open team.
Tamang live lang kami guys. Up.
Randall
Opya.
surveying the lead. Pass to Highland. Beyond
Wow!
Bong! Grabe.
Highland's got the lead up to 13 now for the Timberwolves. And for the defense, that is a hard
Timberwolves versus Lakers to guys.
see him that wide
Logi Lakers guys.
McDaniels finds it.
Bong! Wala na. Durog na ako guys. Pa-20 na. Pa-20 na guys yung lamang ni namin guys.
He's having from downtown. He has been locked
Ay!
Huli.
Minnesota with the rebound. Gobert got rebound number 5 here tonight.
Bang! Wala na guys. Turog na turog ako guys.
And when McDaniels is hitting this, look out. Because it opens up everything else for him offensively.
Yun lang.
Smart misses.
Wow!
Oh, tres pa. Wala na guys. Grabe lamang ni Robin guys. 22 na. 22 na yung lamang niya. Durog na durog ako guys.
Very high accuracy.
Guys, if you wanna buy the caps, ayan, message, hi, how to order. Ayan. Ayan, may nagme-message na pre. Ito po guys, send ko po yung, send ko po yung QR, tsaka yung Ayan guys ha. Replyin ko lahat guys, wait lang guys.
Meron na nagchat-chat.
May nagchat na. Yay! Thank you for the inquiry guys. Salamat. Bili na kayo guys. Perma namin ni Rob guys, pag pumunta kayo sa mall show.
Solo sa patch.
Ay, sige. Lang, rarapain ko lang. Po. Ayun guys, thank you po sa lahat ng message guys.
We'll find out if the next 2 quarters are any different from the
Solid no? Solid yung cup guys. Para pare-parehas tayo lahat guys.
You know, Anthony Edwards has been exceptional here, guys.
Send ko na rin yung QR guys ha. Para kung gusto nyo mag-reserve guys, ayan, send nyo na agad yung receipt no. Para yung slot nyo malista na guys. Lalo na yung pupunta sa mall show guys, para na agad. Para malista na namin na ibibigay sa inyo no, pag na-pick up nyo. Ayan guys, ayan. Send na po. Thank you po sa lahat nag-inquire. Ayan guys, inquire lang kayo dyan guys. Na-reply ko yung agad guys.
Madilibre mo na ba lahat?
Ha? Ano? Hindi pa.
The wingman, Edwards and McDaniel. And it's
Lebron.
James finds it. Smart on the wing. Doncic against Highland. Reeves outside.
Uy, patay!
Bang!
Shots good on the assist by Doncic. Reeves has got 7.
Ay,
Coach for teams defending the victory.
shoutout po guys. Shoutout.
Coach is talking about being at the level. Well, what does that mean? Well, Kevin, what it means is the guy guarding the
Nice.
screener, the defender guarding the screener has to be all the way up.
Bang! Uy, sayang.
At the point of the
So,
screen,
pumasok yun.
as opposed to being in block coverage where the guy defending the screener will lay back.
Boom! Grabe!
Now, just look at that power. Edwards is unbelievable. Reeves outside.
Uy,
Oh!
ganda!
Ganda! Uy, yun lang! Di pa pumasok yun!
Handle with some nice D. It's Edwards on the wing. James defending.
Grabe! Durog ako guys. Grabe yung lamang guys. 23 points na.
JJ Redick will call a timeout. He's going to take a few moments here to check in with his team.
Shoutout guys.
Hindi.
Pro pa shoutout. Ay, Miko and Rabelo po. Pina-full name nyo talaga yung ko no. Gusto nyo lang talaga sabihin yung eh.
Third quarter of play with just over a minute and a half gone by. Good depth for the Timberwolves. It can be challenging sometimes.
Silukan lang niya para maging point guard.
Ayun!
Well, Kevin, that's the kind of problem
Ah! Wala na guys.
straight away a lot of draft capital to assemble this roster. Now it's about
Wow!
Oh! Crossover, nice one. Grabe.
Ay, sayang.
James pulls it down. Well, he's more than comfortable in the mid-range, but you can't make them all.
Baya ko.
Timberwolves leading by 23. McDaniel
Bang, bang.
Grabe. 20 na guys. Hindi nga 20. 25 na guys.
got 6 assists in the game. Well, McDaniels
Durog na durog ako,
has
guys.
found a flow offensively, and he's just gonna
Wow.
run it along.
Is that Robin? Si Drake Palma yan guys.
And sometimes you get in a shootout like this,
Bang!
you just hope
Grabe.
that you can
Kahit
just
di kita,
score.
hindi kaya.
Well, it's easy to see why they continue to call his number. He's delivered, and he's the leading scorer in this game. Doncic hits the smoke.
Hindi pa rin pumasok.
Right back with the 3 of his own, but it's no good. Doncic comes with
Foul.
the double team. And the foul on Marcus Smart.
And guys, Check nyo na lang yung pin comment dyan guys. Ayan, message ko yung R&M Supply kung gusto nyo guys bumili ng caps. Ayan guys, sinend ko na rin guys yung sinend ko na rin yung QR code pag gusto nyo mag-avail. Durog ako guys.
Look, if Edwards is hitting that shot, there's not much you can do
Ah.
defensively to stop. And Jaden McDaniels with the foul. That's foul number 2 for him.
Oh, huli.
How about the energy and activity?
Bang bang!
Grabe naman yun. Wala na to guys.
He runs the floor. Edwards gets down there on the fast break so quickly. LeBron outside.
Ay! Umalis pa.
Bang. Uy! Di pa pumasok yun? Baka malas ko naman.
For 3.
Wala na. Grabe guys.
He's really
Na-dog show.
Locked in, feeling confident in
Ay, uli.
quick shot.
Durog na durog.
Ilan to?
Yung lamang, 7, wait lang, 7, 20, 27, 30 something.
Pasa mo.
Uy, puta yung bungasa.
Nakatakip ako.
Ah.
5-second violation.
35 no?
Oo, 35.
Here's Highland.
Grabe. Pa 40 na to guys. Grabe, durog na durog ako guys. Hiningitian ako ni Edwards. Oh.
Favorite ko to tol eh, Anthony Edwards. Ay! Yun lang, naluka.
He truly has earned it. Allie, we thank you very much. And here's
Wala.
Edwards from the arc. Rebounded by DeAndre. Ayton's got his 7th rebound here tonight. Reeves the pass to Doncic. Back to Reeves.
Bang bang.
And there's this goal to Doncic.
Yan, sino pa ba di nakabili guys?
Fourth assist with that last
Ayan, how much po abot ba yan sa Sat Kuya? Yes, abot po sa Saturday guys. Abot po sa mall show. At kapag nakita nyo kami guys, pepermahan namin yan. So, yun no.
Or dadali namin sa mall show yung order nyo.
Dali namin sa mall show, tapos permahan pa namin yan guys. At least na nakalibre pa kayo delivery fee guys pag pumunta kayo sa mall show. No? Sulit.
Mag-enjoy pa kayo.
Diba?
Daming foul, ang daming foul.
Magra-rap daw si Robin eh.
Ito sa patch.
Sige, sige.
Here's Los Angeles now. Doncic hits the Smart. Back to Doncic. Outside for Smart. Shot clock at 6.
Bang! Saan pa rin pumasok?
Nice din no? Mga backside no?
Here's Edwards.
Bang! Grabe! Dinakdakan si Ribs.
What's in this game?
You get the sense he just can't miss.
And a deep 3 from Doncic. A rebound by the Timberwolves. Gobert's got 9 rebounds in the game. Getting it done. McDaniel.
Ah!
Wala.
3 pointers off the mark. And Reeves has got the ball here for the Los Angeles Lakers. Smart on the wing.
Ay!
Bang bang!
Ganda.
What a play. Simply drains it in.
Kala ko ba team trip ka? Wala nang trip list guys eh. Wala na. Kasal na kayo ng 11 no? Episode 11. Kasal na kayo.
Timberwolves ahead.
And wala na, kasal na guys eh. Wala nang trip list guys. Patay na yung trip list.
Hindi ba?
Hindi pa ba? May pag-aasa pa ba habang humihinga? Oh,
With the ball, and how about the perfect delivery?
Wow, that
so,
was an
ano ba yung Lebron?
piece of an assist.
Luminis ko na rin si Zik eh.
Exactly
Oo nga eh.
Tuloy ko na siya hindi nakikita tol.
Yung Cebu pa no?
Hindi, yung last day ng taping. Hindi ko siya last na.
Ay, oo nga.
that may be already
Tinulugan niya tayo.
Oo.
there will be Doncic and Reeves. Ayton is out there with LeBron
Nakakamiss yung buong broad no tol.
Mm.
Para pag nandun ka sa taping na yun, wala kang problema. Saya lang.
Hmm.
Huli!
Huli pa rin yun.
Oh, this is
Alis ka na?
exactly the kind of opportunity you don't want to
Oh,
and there was a
blocking
Dahil naman ng foul.
Puro foul ako guys.
third foul so far.
Balik ka tol mamaya.
Ha?
Pabalik ka mamaya.
Oo naman.
Tama si Charles. Tama si Charles. O si Sam.
Boom! Grabe. Tinan mo score, pre. Hans, tinan mo yung score.
Si si 92 si 40, ano?
Durog!
He quickly takes advantage, grows their lead.
Yeah, look, the truth is,
Babad na naman si Edwards.
space any
Hindi, tol. McDaniels.
too easy.
Si McDaniels pinapatira.
Finds McDaniel. Edwards with it. He's picked up a notch.
Yan si Highland, puta.
Grabe naman to.
Si Highland, ano siya, no?
40.
Lason.
Tsaka good D, tol. Si Island. Ganda yan dumipensa.
Guys, 40 yung lamang ni Robin sa akin, guys. 40! 4-0!
Kaya pa yan, tol.
Hindi na kaya yan.
Kaya pa yan.
Tiwala lang.
Patap. Hindi pa rin pumasok. Wala na, guys. Trinasan pa sa mukha. Wala na, guys. It's
4 minutes
over.
pa, 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Wala na yan. Ito pag nagwala si Luka. Hindi nga, Luka. Magwala ka nga. Magwala ka nga, Luka. O, ISO.
Doncic looking it over.
Hindi ka makapasok kay Island, no? Solid siya dumipensa, no?
Smart on the wing.
Woy!
Woy!
Ganda na.
And one's off. Still out of sync.
Point guard, point guard. Gitna mo muna. Set play. Hindi yung... Set. Tira. Bang. Di ba? Ganda. Yun yung play namin dapat eh.
Ano ba yung play nyo, pre?
Hindi namin nagagawa masyado.
Looking to get points in a hurry as the game clock's running down.
Huli!
Huli pa rin, guys. Grabe. Ay, napanood mo, pre, kapon? Spurs, France versus Serbia. Solid, pre. Jokic tsaka si Wemby. Pumasok din. Pero wala na. Wala, guys, sorry, naglalaro lang kami, guys. Ay, ikaw naglalaro, pre.
Ay, na-steal ako.
Hindi, wala yan.
On the three-point range for 12 of their points in the final quarter on 4 of 5 shooting. Edwards again.
Oh, grabe! Kulang nagawa eh.
Hi, guys.
Again, to stretch the floor, particularly in this second half.
Yeah,
Oh, crossover! Bang! Wala na, hanggang doon na lang ako, guys.
close out to the arc.
And it doesn't take much.
Shoutout, guys. Ayan, sa mga bibili ng caps, guys, message nyo lang yung page. Ayan, nakapin comment dyan kay ano, guys. Ayan.
Stolen by Smart. And now the fast break. Doncic with the ball. And the gun by Doncic.
Excellent on both ends of that play.
Yeah, the steal was sharp, but the slam topped it off. And that is why you want
Oh, wala crossover. Bang! Wala na, guys. Grabe. Surrender na to, surrender.
Fourth quarter for him, especially from long range, just in a groove now, and that play
Boom!
has been definitely
Ano, tutuloy mo ba yan?
Wag na, wag na. Talo na yan. Sige, ulit na lang.
Di ba naman?
Sige. Wait lang, guys. Message ko na kayo. Ayan.
Message lang ako.
Tara na, guys. Saan na ba yun? Send ko na, guys. Send ko na rin yung QR, guys, ha. Send ko na rin yung QR. Pero kung gusto nyo bumili po, send nyo na lang rin yung GCash. Ayan. Yes po. And can say naabot nyo sa amin yung cup. After pick up sa send ko na, guys, ha. Send ko po yung QR tsaka yun. Send ko na rin yung QR, guys. Para pag nag-decide ko na bumili, guys, ayan, send nyo na rin yung receipt na, guys. Thank you po.
Ang saya mag-live. Ang dami nila. Hi guys! Maraming salamat po sa pagnood nyo dito sa live namin and sa pagsuporta nyo po sa aming cup. Diba? Maangas yung cup, diba? Ano daw? Ano daw? 40 years old na daw ako.
Mukha ba yun 40 years
Mukha
old?
ba akong 40 years old? Cute na mga comment. Hi, Robin Global! Ano meron sa 30, tol?
Ha? Ay, yung ano, yung Yukorino.
Mo?
Oo.
Ah, okay.
Pero ano yun, parang yung sa fan, hindi siya yung Yukorista. Mali fan meet lang.
Ganun na ako before eh. Yung parang first fan meet din namin sa Green Hills.
Means. Guys, okay lang ba kayo dyan guys? And message the page lang guys if you wanna buy. Ayan, check ko rin sa TikTok. Baka may nag-message sa TikTok. Meron na ba nag-message? Ayan, may
Gusto mo
nag-message.
black top tayo, tol?
Ano yan?
Yung makakapili ka at sino gusto mong player, tapos makakapili ka 1-1, 2v2.
Ay, sige, tara.
Ano gusto mo, 5v5?
Sige, 5v5.
O 3x3? Sige, 5v5. Ringers ako. Full court, 21. Pwede na yan. First player, ako muna. Ringers ako dito ako sa kaliwa. Salitan siya.
Sige.
Bulls. Memphis ito.
Okay lang ba kayo dyan guys?
Sidya.
Is everybody okay?
Ikaw na, tol.
Diyan mo lang
point
ka.
guard mo.
Point Cardona. Mga tick na.
Sino? Kyrie?
Hindi. Curry. Yung favorite player.
Ano? Ni Edward, shooting guard. Sino shooting guard mo? Clay?
Hindi. Dapat shooting guard dapat talaga.
Hindi, kahit ano. Pwedeng malaki ka lahat.
Parang draft pala to. Then, yun.
O even be shooting guard.
Tayo, no? Kuya Pansin, hello po. Shoutout po sa'yo, guys. Shoutout. Yung hoodie po, guys, in the next 3 days, mag-a-announce na ako, guys. Magka-quality check lang kami ni Rob, guys. Quality. Kawai.
Babat naman yung balance si Kawhi. Si Curry na Kobe, o, tiyan mo. Kobe 4.
Oo nga, no?
Gusto ko magkaganyan, tol, Kobe 4.
Wala na ba? Nandiscontinue
Mahal
na
eh.
ba? Mahal.
Ano tayo, NBA?
Sige.
Hello.
Nagbuhat ka na, ano?
Hindi.
Hindi pa nagbuhat?
Si Bok lang yung kasi nilunod.
Tsaka si Lubais.
Oo, kasi nilunod.
Kevin Durant tayo. Kevin Durant. Hello, guys. Okay lang ba kayo dyan?
Hindi ka pa nag-start? Mamaya-maya.
Hindi pa.
Mamaya-maya.
Ako nakaigalang na ako niya.
Tol, bubuhat na ako niyan, no?
Ha?
Bubuhat ako niyan.
Ngayon?
Oo.
Ni, Bok kanina.
Sige, dapat ito. Guys, magkano yung I love pa mag-cap
Yun nga,
guys? Ito
wala
guys.
pang players eh.
Lang.
Sayang nga eh, gusto ko maglaro sobra.
Bata na ako meron gym yan.
Kaya nga.
And guys, if you wanna buy the caps guys, ayan, magsasend na rin ako ng QR code para pag pag gusto niyo bumili guys, ayan. Kung gusto niyo magpa-reserve agad, send niyo na agad yung yung receipt guys. Thank you. Ako na ba? Ay, ko ba? Kuya Pansin mo ko, hello po. Shoutout sa iyo guys. Shoutout po Jerome, shoutout. Maria Palma, thank
Ay,
you.
Maria
thank you.
Palma, napalit ka na ng profile pic ah.
Hello po, thank you sa Rose. Waiting to wait po sa hoodie. Ayan, mga 2 to 3 days guys. Mga 2 to 3 days.
Yun,
Dadating
ikaw
yan.
na.
Ay, ako na. Shit, si Jokic. Baboy na ni Zion Williams. Chat ba ako?
Kumain kang pasta, tol.
Pasta. Mukha naman.
Bumili ba kayo pa pasta?
Anthony Davis.
Ay, sila box siguro.
Yanis tayo guys.
Baka yun. Hindi,
Hey guys, shoutout sa'yo. Hello guys, shoutout sa'yo. Wala ba guys? Yan, message nyo lang guys yung page. Ayan. Thank you po sa tag-i-inquire guys. Ayan, nagsend na rin ako ng GCash ng link namin para kung gusto nyo magpa-reserve. Ayan. Bayaran nyo na agad.
Si KD.
Yes sir.
Sino kaya malaki? Ang tapat.
Porzingis.
Pwede na to,
Anthony
Anthony
Davis.
Davis.
May pang 3. Tatlong pang 3. Well. Namatay na to no? Si Brandon Miller.
Oo.
Di ba?
Bilis?
Bilis ng comment na yung mabasa nga eh.
Lulutuan daw tayo. Sige guys.
Carl Anthony Towns.
Sarap yan. Gutom na kami. Pero bubuhat muna dapat bago kumain. Hindi ko makita pag malayo, tol.
Naanimutan mo. Chat hungry na lang. Chat tayo,
How
chat.
much yung cup?
Sabi naman. Pwede naman.
Ah, hindi mo pala sinasabi.
Or okay lang ba? Pwede naman, no? Pwede
Wala.
naman.
Baka maano
Oo.
sa live eh.
Bagay. 3, pwede naman siguro.
Huwag mo na, baka maano tayo sa live.
Sige, message nyo na lang guys yung page. Ayan.
Opo, sa IG para mas mabilis mag-reply si Miko.
Paano po mag-order niyan? Send nyo lang po receipt. Receipt ng GCash. And guys, send nyo lang yung receipt ng GCash guys.
Wala, tol. Uli.
Boom!
Oy!
Grabe, nagdaktakan. Oh! Boom! Grabe.
Asan si Sam? Wala, isang araw nandito siya eh. Miss ko naman si Sam, tol.
Boom!
Nung tumambay siya
Sam
dito, ang saya-saya ko nung nakawin siya ng Pilipinas.
Haba ni Wemby, no?
O, tol, may chat ka pa pala. Ah! Laki, tol!
Boom!
Hira.
Hindi mapigilan si Wemby. Uy! Boom! Wala ba kayo dyan, guys? And to order the cups, guys, send nyo lang yung receipt sa GCash po. Ayan, send nyo lang sa receipt. Pagkatapos, pag-usapan natin yung delivery options kung nakabayad na po kayo.
Galing ni Curry, no?
Ang baka niya ako ah. Wala ako sa yung chance dito sa black top ah.
Ito si Curry eh. Oh, Jamoran. Boom! Sige po
Shout
kuya,
out.
wait lang. Sige lang po dyan, go lang po.
Hey, outside.
Tik na.
Akala ko outside. Ooh.
Bong!
All. May chika na?
Bong! Kaya panotis. Hello po.
Later ka na.
Oh! Grabe yun ah. The handles. Mas maganda yung handles dito pre no? Saka yung dunk din.
Solid no? Parang...
Oh.
Ano kasi ito eh, parang street ball eh. Pwede mong gawin lahat.
Lego.
Walang rules. I mean, less rules.
Grabe. Ay, kala ko.
Ah, ba't foul?
Uy!
Bitawan.
Hi Bunso, hello po. Biang Cake, shoutout. Maria Palma, thank you sa cup. Salamat.
Tension. Bigyan mo yung sa akin.
Oh! Step back. Sayang. Ang ganda sana nun.
Grabe na ang ilisyon to.
Ba't kaya may gano'n?
Tension yun po. Ano siya? Dapat malambot siya.
Pumassage tayo, no?
Kain tayo. Eat well, Ate Tin.
Parang gano'n.
Kaya meron yan si Coach Ken. Yung bola.
Pasok.
Ang roll na sa mga ganito. Kaya kapag hininimigan ko yung lambot. Turbo.
Kaya magaling si sumayaw, no?
Ha?
Anong bola yan?
Ganyan no? Yung...
Wala.
Ay,
tawag na.
wala.
Basta parang muscle ball. Tapos gagaling mo siya sa wall. Sobrang sarap parang pinamasahe.
Solid, totoo.
So, bibili nga ako dun. Bibili nga ako na yun. Meron din yun sa Decathlon.
Bang.
Ganda, Mibo.
Step back.
Bibili nga ako. Ano may makita ko?
Ano?
Episode 12 mamaya.
Kasama ko sila Martin no isang araw.
Gaganyan mo niya.
Search ko nga.
Lagi kaming tumatambay dito, guys.
Boom.
Bang! Maglalaro nga dapat kami, kaso walang court.
Ano, cancel yung mamaya?
Oo. Kaya kailangan ko na magbuhat eh. Nahirapan kasi ako matulog pag late ako nag-gym.
Minsan nakakagising kasi,
Oo,
no?
tol, parang pag mahirap kang antokin. Ay, pangit! Ano? Ano daw?
Anong linalaro nyo? 2K guys, NBA 2K. Thank you po sa mga rose.
Hindi mo nakakatawa.
Bakit? Saan? Ang bilis kasi. Uy, ba't yan?
Ano daw?
Ang bilis guys. Talaga.
Ang taba ko na eh.
Gusto ko pang bilhin yung suot ni Robin. Ayun guys, sige guys. Message nyo lang yung page. Kung gusto nyo bilhin ng cups namin guys. Ayan. Guys, message nyo lang guys. Message nyo lang yung page. Ay kuya, hello po. Hoodie guys, 2 to 3 days, promise. Mag-upload na ako guys. Kung magkano guys. Magka-quality check lang kami. Wait lang pre, wait lang pre. Dalagiwan. Ay, ako na pala yan.
All lang pala, no? Hanggang 21 to, no?
Oh, ay, hanggang 21 lang pala.
Huli.
Oy! Huli pa.
Sayang. Ay! Ganda, tol.
Bang! Happy birthday sa mga may birthday dyan.
Ay, wala.
Bang!
Ang hirap dito.
Tangkad.
Ay!
Boom! Nice one. Bili na kayo ng Palma Cups. Yes, guys.
Dati sa amin, no?
Ah, ganyan. Oo. Madami din akong ganyan sa amin sa mga lola ko.
Boom! Grabe yun ah.
Windmill.
Tinaklakan na ako, guys. Wah! What are you playing? Naglaro kami 2K. NBA 2K ni Rob. Dep na. Boom! Grabe!
Posterize si Wemby.
Solid talaga si ano, no?
Si Morant, no?
Si John Morant.
Ay!
Bang bang! Sana lang.
Oh no, last one.
Hey!
Asa si Anthony Edwards? Sa corner.
Iba-iba kasi yung jersey nila.
May drone pa oh. No?
Bang! GG's! Yanis!
Gym muna ako. Sino maglalaro? Gym kami. Oo.
Gym live oh.
Ayoko tol.
Yeah. And guys, wait lang. Benta muna tayo. Tara guys, oh, bago mag-gym si Rob guys, makabenta tayo guys. And how much po ito guys, send namin guys, bago si Rob mag-gym. Wait lang, send ko na sa inyo. Ito po yung... Ito guys, send ko na rin yung QR guys ha.
Siya.
GCash po guys yung payment po, GCash. So, sasend ko na rin po yung link ng, I mean yung QR po. Here po. To GCash. And sa mall show po, magbebenta din kami doon guys. I-announce ko na lang kung saan kayo pwede bumili guys. Mag-a-announce po tayo. Pa-notice. Hello po guys. Shoutout. Gusto nyo ba yung cup guys? Ayan. Send nyo lang po guys sa GCash kung gusto nyo bumili guys. May limited slots na lang tayo no. Shoutout sa inyo guys. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Cash G. Ay sorry. Sorry Kuya Mike. Sorry ko nga pala Cash G. Through Cash G guys. Through Cash G. Hindi pala pwede sabihin dito sa live no. Lean back. Hey, lean back. Sorry guys, ang bilis ng comments. Grabe. Joy! Thank you Joy sa heart mo.
May kukunin lang ako saglit pa ako.
Ilang pre? Okay. Birthday daw ni Maria Palma pre.
Ito, kailan?
Ngayon daw.
Birthday mo ngayon? Happy birthday!
You know. And for the Gymmeries muna si Rob guys. Okay lang ba kayo dyan guys? Gusto ko rin magbuhat kasi hindi bukas na siguro ako magbuhat.
Sabay mo na si Rap.
Mamaya. Kung nakabenta.
Ha?
Iba na po na si Rats.
2K tayo? Mag-2K.
Hi guys.
Hey guys. Ay joke lang pala yun. Ay naniwala si Rob guys. You know. Hans Paronda in the house guys.
Hi.
Classic team tayo.
Sige. Gusto mo current?